Hello, everyone. My name is David Ajayi, also known as Media Ajayi. I'm a digital product designer and also an XR designer. Today, I will be pitching to us about the XR project, which is an immersive African fashion museum. So, now starting with an introduction, I would be showing, as you can see now, a video reel of a demo of what we already have implemented for our shop, which you can see in this video reel. Now going to what Asha is. Asha is actually an AI platform that serves as a fashion museum for African cultural wares. Fashion museum, you might ask, because fashion is actually a form of expression that reflects the cultural, social, and economical trends of the African society. A museum in the sense that it serves as an institution that collects, preserves, interprets, and displays objects of cultural or historical significance for public viewing and education. Now, some problems which we actually figured was many African fashion designers are small businesses with limited marketing budgets and resources, which really makes it hard for them to reach wider audiences and also competing with large international brands. Then also another thing which we figured was traditional product photos and descriptions often don't do enough justice to the richness and the texture of indigenous brands and indigenous fabrics. This can make it really difficult for you or people to imagine how these garments would look and feel in person. Now going to solutions. Asha would be using AR technology to allow users enjoy immersive and interactive experiences that showcases indigenous fashion wares in a new and engaging way. Asha would also be breaking down stereotypes and raising awareness of the African fashion industry's rich cultural heritage. What Asha would be offering would be business visibility for small scale fashion designers, content creations, which would be us constantly curating and updating the platform with diverse range of indigenous cultural wares. AR development, which would be us utilizing high quality 3D models to develop and design AR experiences for users to virtually experience and try on indigenous cultural wares. Now to our business model. Value proposition. We will be immersing users in rich history and cultural significance of African attire through AR technology. We would also be providing an interactive platform for education, appreciation, and inspiration around diverse cultural wares. We will then be bridging the gap between generations by making traditional knowledge accessible and engaging. Now, going to our target market. Our target markets are fashion enthusiasts, which are people who are passionate about fashion and cultural diversity. We also have tourists, who are those interested in African culture and heritage. Then to our educational institution, which are schools and university, which should be adopting Asha into their educational syllables for educational purposes. Our revenue streams are fashion enthusiasts, which are branded experiences, which will be partnering with brands and organizations for sponsored exhibitions, AR campaigns, and product launch. We would also be getting or looking forward to get grants and sponsorships, which would be securing funds from cultural bodies, government agencies, and NGOs supporting cultural preservation and education. Advertisements also would be us partnering with relevant brands for sponsored content or placement. Marketing and growth strategies, which we have in place, are leveraging social media, which will be us utilizing platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat for engaging AR experiences, challenges, influencer partnerships also. We would also be trying to make use of community building, which would foster both offline and online communities through forums, workshops, and user generated content initiatives. We would also be making strategic partnerships which would be us collaborating with fashion designers, educators, and technology companies for cross promotional and innovations. Now to our technology and development. We'll be looking to develop user-friendly AR platforms accessible on smartphones and AR wearables. We would also be utilizing high-quality 3D models and scans of cultural wares for immersive experiences. We'll be integrating storytelling elements with AR exhibits, including audio narrations and interactive quizzes. We would also then be looking to partnering with AR technology providers for continuous innovation and feature development. Challenges and considerations which we've actually seen are ensuring accessibility and affordability of AR technology for the target audience, building a comprehensive database of cultural wares and associated knowledge, balancing commercial viability and also cultural sensitivity and authenticity. So now to our team members, I have a role of the product manager, the 3D clothing designer, and also the AR design. And we have Oluwaseun Aye Nuru, who serves and plays a role of the 3D environment designer. We also then have Simileoluwa Adewale on our team, who actually plays the role of the AR developer. And our ask for this project would be guidance on next steps to move our project further, and also financial assistance to help the development of the platform functionalities and also core features. Then also looking forward to partnerships and collaborations. I really appreciate your time and thank you very much for listening to my pitch. If you would like to reach out and have more talk with me and the team, you can scan this code and I would really love to speak with you soon. Thank you very much. Bye.